Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen. What is cracking, folks? I'm finally back in my own kitchen here after 2 months of traveling. If you haven't seen my recent videos, please do check back on those. I managed to film a lot of people cooking their own traditional vegan dishes. Just amazing, amazing recipes you'll see there. Now, along the way, I managed to meet a Moroccan chef called Chef Rani, who's given me his recipe for Moroccan-style chickpeas. Now, this is absolutely divine, right? So I'm going to be making those today using his recipe. So thank you, Chef Rani, if you're watching. Now, as always, if you like vegan, plant-based, vegetarian recipes, there are no animals or animal products on my channel, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you've got any requests. And finally, once I hit the 5,000 subscriber mark, I'm going to be doing a Q&A as well, so you can get to know me a little bit better, who I am, what I do. So just leave your questions down there as well, and I'll be happy to get back to you on those. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get cooking. As always, folks, the full recipe will be in the description, so don't panic if it goes too fast for you. Now, the first step is to make sure you've soaked your chickpeas overnight. They should triple in size once they have. And what we're going to do then is boil them for 2 hours. Slow, low heat. Make sure they get nice and soft. Then, once you can mash them on the palm of your hand very easily, you know they're ready. Next, we're going to halve our chili peppers. We're going to thin slice our red peppers. We're going to thin slice our garlic. And we're going to finely chop our coriander or cilantro. Once that's ready, we're going to pour some oil into our pan, and we're going to fry our garlic and our chilies. You'll know they're ready once the whole house smells lovely. The chilies will go soft at this stage, and don't forget that I've sped this up ×3, so it's a lot slower. It's about 5 minutes into the process now, and I've added the reds. Next, once you can see that the reds have gone soft, I'm going to add the turmeric, the paprika, and the coriander. And we're just going to give that a nice mix. Again, a few minutes are going to go by. Let all that oil infuse, let all the flavors release. Then we're going to add our chickpeas, give it a few minutes. And then we're going to pour some water just so that it's under the chickpeas. And we're just going to let that sit and sit and sit until the oils split. You'll be able to see a layer of oil on the top, a little bit of water at the bottom, and that's fine. That's ready. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? Are you hanging on the edge of your seats? Look at this. Goodness me. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how it's done. These are the most amazing chickpeas you will ever have. Better than chana masala. I don't give a damn what you say. This is how you make chickpeas. The whole house smells absolutely incredible. I've got the smell of coriander all over the place, and the peppers and the garlic. Just make this, all right? Don't be afraid of all the oil. It's your friend. Trust me. On this one, trust me. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you did, hit the like button, hit subscribe. And the best bread to use with this, by the way, is a challah bread, I find, personally. Or a pita bread, but challah's the best. If you don't know what challah bread is, I'm going to put a link up there. Well, not a link, a picture up there. And you can see that for yourself. But folks, yes, this is how it's done. I love you all. Have an amazing day. And ciao for now.